Okay, welcome here. So thanks a lot for coming in, by the way. Thanks a lot for being here. So I'm not sure how many times you've been to a keynote lecture, right? But when I was a keynote lecturer, I was always trying to find like something that I could take home, something that I can relate to, right? Something that I can use into my own research, everyday sort of research agenda and so on. So I really hope that today I'm sort of giving you something that you can bring home and apply yourselves, because I think that there is something here that everybody should know about in how to sort of join teaching, research, and impact, right? Because everybody's like trying to hit the sort of the golden triangle of research, teaching, and impact all the way together. So I've got 40 minutes. By the way, if you let me talk about these things, I can go on for a long time. So hopefully, Oksana, so you can keep me in the pace. And hopefully we can have maybe a discussion today or later, even later. So my journey is actually that I was like a normal researcher, and I sort of bumped into this sort of opportunity, right? Opportunity to try to engage with industries, yeah? And that fundamentally changed my perspective into research, impact, and so on. So I would like to share how I did it, because again, I'm not a genius, and if I did it, I think everybody can do it, right? That's what I'm proposing today for you. There you go. So this actually, I'm going to talk about something called UnICo. UnICo, so I'm originally from Italy. UnICo means unique, right? But actually my consent was like University Industry Collaboration. So we called that thing like UnICo, and then it stuck into, so it was like standing like that for a long time. So I started like 7 years ago, 2019, and then basically during the COVID time, I had like a lot of spare time essentially, and I sort of built the foundation of that. And again, what I'm saying is that if I could do it, anybody can do it, right? In terms of the sort of the structure. Right now, we sort of can leverage like sort of hundreds of industry partners to work with, which is a pleasure, a joy, but also a big work to sort of connect with. And then we sort of published like a framework that anybody can sort of relate to and try to replicate into the institutions. And again, so everybody's talking about AI, right? So how do we work with AI in these days? And I'm going to give you my take into how this future of software engineering should look like in terms of our students, our research, and how we make impact in the long term, right? So for me, I'm keeping an eye on the clock, but again, so there's like three big blocks that I'm trying to work with you through this presentation. The first one looks like a little bit far-fetched, but I think it's really necessary to talk about, which is find your research niche, right? Because I've been in this game of research for longer than most of you guys, and I've seen